Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how I make the muzzle flash effect on my video. This is not from the video, this is from an earlier project, but it will serve the purpose I need it to. So, we shall get started. So, first I'm going to scrub through and see where my friend actually fires the gun at me. Find the frame. So it looks like it's this one. So I'm going to cut the video right there because I'm going to use this later. So I need to find a suitable muzzle flash. I think this is the one that I used. Yeah, okay, so this is the muzzle flash I'm going to use. So I'm going to drag that. No, I don't want 8 videos. What is this? Okay, so drag that where I want it. And as you can see, it becomes black. And it still has the flash, but it's just over black, right where that pops in. So the first thing you need to do is set the blending mode to screen, and that will get rid of the black. See how that works there? Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to position the muzzle flash where it's going to be. So looks like it's going to be about right there. I want to make it maybe a little bit bigger. So it's going to be about there. And so now we have the muzzle flash about where we want it. Maybe it's a little low. So about where we want it. So now we have to, obviously the muzzle flash isn't going to be in front of the gun because that's not how it is. So we have to take another one of these and put it on top. What we're going to do is we're going to mask out the parts of the gun that we don't want, or that we want to show, that we want to cover up the gun. So take a mask, flop it in there. Okay. So okay, sorry about that. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna drag the mask about where we want it, position it so it's kind of angled here. So sorry about the lag. Okay, so that looks about good. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna mess with the roundness, not really the roundness. JK. Okay, so then, whoops. Okay, so now we're going to mess with the feathering of the mask. So as you can see, that adjusts how much the mask is actually, the edges of the mask, how much they're actually hard and edged like that. And so, too much. Okay, so it's not really going around the gun, so we'll make the mask a little bit smaller. Okay, so that actually looks pretty good, I think. So now you would do the same as a mask, except it would be with color, and you would brighten the wall, because you're not just going to shoot a gun and there's not going to be any brightness. So you would do that, but for the sake of length, I think I'll just stick to this. So here's the effect. And I think that actually looks pretty good. So yeah.